Hello, this is a short video tutorial on how to live stream your Zoom meetings through Restream.io, live stream that to Twitch, add some engagement functionality with Slido, and then put it all into Brella. This specific tech stack is rather easy to set up, and it's also comparatively cheap to use. So in this case, Zoom and Slido are not that expensive, and Restream.io and Twitch are free to use platforms. This stack is also possible because Zoom allows for live streaming to some custom live streaming provider. And Restream.io in this case plays the role of a freemium cloud multi-streaming platform which will restream your Zoom meeting into some custom live streaming platform. So let's get it started. First of all, what you need to do is to go to your Zoom account and check that the settings for your Zoom account are set accordingly. I'll go to zoom.us website now and then go to settings and see this meeting section. There I will find the live streaming functionality. I will allow live streaming meetings, and I will also check mark custom live streaming service. You can see here that you can provide some specific instructions for this custom live streaming service. You can set it up later once you know all the details for the custom live streaming service. So if you've done that, you can go ahead and do the next step, which is to set up the Restream account. If you go to Restream.io, you can create your free account, and you can also add the channels that you want to use. So in this case, I have already created my account and added the Twitch channel. You can do that by pressing this Add Channel button, and then you can select what platform you want to stream to, and so on. I already added it, and I added my Twitch account. If you press this button, it will redirect you to your Twitch account. Or better to say, to your Twitch channel. Perfect. Once you have done that, it means that you have all the details you need to set up the custom live streaming. You have this RTMP URL, you have the stream key, and since I already pressed on my Twitch channel I get the Twitch URL. You can basically use these free URLs or free types of data and put it all into this bubble later on to easier go live. But we won't do it now, we'll just get this later on. So basically it means that we are now ready to go live. What I will do, I will open my Zoom app and start a new meeting there. Important note is that you need to be the host of the meeting in order to be able to live stream that. I'll join with computer audio now, and I'll mute myself for now. And let's imagine that we have the meeting running, and since I'm the one who started the meeting, I'm the host, so I can press this More button, and then I see here this Live on Custom Live Streaming Service. Let's press that. There we can enter these details that we need for the custom live streaming service. If we were to add some information here, some specific instructions, we would have the message bubble over here, and we could just copy paste it from there to the streaming URL, to the streaming key, and live streaming page URL. So streaming URL is something that we can get from Restream. It's this RTMP URL. So we need to copy that and paste it into the field. Streaming key is something that we can also get from the RTMP. Here, we can copy that and paste it to the streaming key. Live streaming page URL is the URL of your, in my case, it's my Twitch channel. So I'll go to my Twitch channel and copy paste the whole URL. Perfect. Once you are ready, it means that you can go live. It will take a moment to prepare your live stream and then it will redirect you to your to the place where you actually have your live stream on. So in my case, it will redirect me back to my Twitch channel. Great, we are live. And if we were to have some video and audio, so some real meeting going on, we would see the video and audio and the person speaking, and we would also be able to hear the person. But let's now do the next step, which is to add some engagement functionality with Slido. So what we would need to do is to press this share button, then there is this embed button, and in there we have this iframe code. So you need to get that, copy it, and then go to the Slido. So I have my test event already open here. There is this settings button, and in there you can find the integration section. In the integration section there is this live video. You need to enable that and add the live stream I have just copied. I'll press save next. Great. Now what we can do is to add this all into Brella. I would press the settings button again and get the event link in the general section. I would copy that and go back to the Brella event. In the Brella event manager, you can set up different streams. As you can see here, I have different streams already available, but I will just put my Slido event into this Slido event stream. Perfect. Let's press save. And now let's check how it will look like in the Brella event. As you can see here, I have this Slido event stream here, and I also have the live stream actually going on already. I have the polls and Q&A available, which means that it's working. That's pretty much it. It's not that difficult to set it up. That's just one of the options, which is one of the simplest to do and also one of the cheapest to do. That's all. Have a nice day and have a great event.